He's been tackled. He's given the penalty here to Wawata. After what looked like a pretty soft tackle, I've got to say. But Wawata now have the chance to go 2-1 up. Just after Colombii got back into the game, it's going to be taken by Diaz. Keeper almost saved it, but it reaches the back of the net, and it's 2-1 to Wawata. No! This time it's cleared. Marcel Holos, the manager of Colombii, that's his voice you can hear in the background, telling his players, no more please. There's a shot from distance from Wawata that goes just wide. 62 minutes gone, still 2-1.
Marcel, I think you should be down on the sideline yelling to your players to get the victory. not in the commentary box. You should be.
No, we've got him mic'd up on the sideline.
Yeah, on the side, you should be screaming at your team players. Come on, team, we've got to win. Or even in four, but
sounds like he's admitted defeat.
I think Rwanda will get another.
Marcel, if you ball... Oh, he's beat the keeper, it's in! Wawata have got a third here as well! Unbelievable turn of events in just a minute here. And Wawata get a third goal, and Lazio get theirs. And Beach from looking comfortable. And Colombii from looking like they had a chance. It now appears that both of them may be going out here.
No, equalise it for my team.
Beach have 20 minutes to respond in the other game. A night full of drama around these 4 games. Oh, here's another chance through on goal. Oh, almost beat the keeper. Hits it just one.
Marcel, please. Can you control yourself?
This is Sports 13's live commentary of HypoWorld Cup Day 13. You'll get post-match reaction from Marcel Holos, who's bawling like a baby right now. His team are losing 3 goals to 1.
We might show you the door, Marcel.
This is certainly going on the highlights reel for the year, I think.
Not the baby, I'm not the baby. I'm not the baby.
You're sounding like one.
No!
I think most people would agree that you sound like one.
Not going.
Colombii trying to get forward.
You can save it for the dressing room, mate.